Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's around that time again, so we're gonna be redecorating our den to a Thanksgiving thing. So I'm gonna sweep all that up. And it's just be going. See, it's all empty there. And some of it might not. It might just be for decoration. So I'm gonna pause it for right now. And I'm gonna continue what I'm doing and show you guys. Okay, so it's like I don't do or you don't. So I'll try to do my best. I added some things that are not really Thanksgiving. I tried to add like some candles, like comic candles, some plants, some cake. Look, I ate some of that cake. I just wanted to know too. But donuts. Can I eat that? Okay, stop. Before you go. Okay, I'm out. And your cup of tea before you start that cooking and the game. And you got your light. Gonna make it cool. I got this one, this one. Got my roll. So we're gonna play a game for y'all. Okay. I better win. Ah, squeak. Did you start? Yes. Another. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So, this one. But I just no stop. 2, 3. I got a lot of them. No, no, 4. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to use code thank you on Animal Jam as a reading number code so you can get your gifts and get this wonderful little animal, this thing right there. See, he's sleeping happy. So thank you guys for tuning in today's video and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye.